Hello everyone, welcome back. Being a fresher is hard, but looking for an offline job as a fresher is harder. But is it impossible to find a job offline? Not at all, right? Freshly graduated from college, you are always looking for a way to find financial independence and good professional experience. Am I correct? And the struggle for finding a good job is never ending. We all despise online hiring platform for one reason. They all are, or maybe mostly are, a big scam. Why? Because some of the company on those platforms are really not existing. And some company, they pay you very less. And it is even worse for people like us. Why? Because how can we bring 15 years of experience for a social media job where Instagram is launched in 2010 year? How do we bring these number of experience? That's the problem with a fresher. But don't worry, because today I'm going to tell you how to find a job the OG way. The first trick, to look for a startup. Yes, look for a startup to start your career. People underestimate the power of startup because they never really know where to look. Newly funded startups are a great place to start your career, as you get a deeper learning experience at a great pay. And let's be real. There is nothing more you look for as a fresher. Now I know that all of us are a bunch of lazy mortal who hates doing the same thing every day. Agree with me? That is why I also know that you will hate applying for 20 to 30 jobs on day-to-day basis. That will not only will dim your vibe, but also it demotivates us, right? Applying for a job, keeps on applying for a job every day, and we are not getting any response. That really affects us. What if I tell you that instead of going through all this trouble, you could give one test? Yes, only one test, and let companies follow you instead you are following the companies. Sounds great, right? Well, it's true. With re-level, all you have to give one test at re-level. They will generate your scorecard within 24 hours, and your score will determine where you end up. And companies will come hunting you down. And all you have to do is to say yes. So choose re-level. What are you waiting for? Link is in the description. Go and take a test. It's very straightforward. Register yourself, book a slot, take the test, and within 24 hours you will get a scorecard, and they will create your profile and they will send your profile to different companies, and companies will be calling you for an interview. You just have to sit and relax. Wait for the interview calls. It's that simple. So link is in the description. Go ahead and check out, and yeah, don't miss this opportunity, guys, because you will not get this opportunity again and again. And even if you're not scoring well, you can take the test. You can retake the test after 30 days and keep on taking the test and applying for a good companies. And there you will find 50 plus companies, and the packages of those companies are quite huge. So what are you waiting for? Go and take the test. Thank you, guys. Hope this video was informative to you. If it was informative to you, don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.